How to take store-bought cinnamon rolls and take it up a notch. Rebel Canner's teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we sure need a lot of the old ways these days. So you can go ahead and make your own bread dough, butter it up really good, spread that lovely cinnamon and brown sugar on it, roll it up tight, and cut it into cinnamon rolls, letting them rise until they're big and fluffy. And then put them around in your pan in a layer, single layer, fairly tight together. Or let's get real here, folks. You can just buy the pre-made ones like I did and start from this point.
Sorry. Not satisfying at all. I didn't swear. That's satisfying. I know, but I love it when it pops and we all scream, because I don't know why. Everybody screams, but they all scream. I don't like it.
Be sure you're spraying your pan with some non-stick spray or you'll have a sticky, gooey mess to clean up.
I gotta do a bunch of editing anyway.
Go ahead and arrange the cinnamon rolls in a single layer in your 9x13 baking pan. I do want to suggest right here that is a deep dish pan, not a real thin one. You're going to want some room for the liquid we're about to add next. Add between 1/2 to 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. Measure with your heart.
Look good? Mm-hmm.
This is what's going to make them more like sticky rolls and very creamy on the bottom. So don't be afraid to add the cream. For the topping, melt a 1/4 cup of butter in the microwave. Add 1/2 cup brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. or measure with your heart and add a little bit more. It's going to make it yummy. Blend those 3 ingredients together well, mixing so that the cinnamon is blended in uniformly.
Teaspoons of cinnamon. Measure with your heart. Measure with your heart, like always. Tip it this way, though. Smells so good. It does. All right. Doesn't really want to pour, so I'm using a fork to help it. All right.
I don't like that.
Quiet on a sec. Cinnamon roll. Okay.
Bake at 350 for 30 minutes or follow the directions on your package of cinnamon rolls. Serve warm. They're so yummy. And don't forget to add that frosting, or even get a little extra cream cheese frosting and add on top. Oh, so. If you like my content, please be sure to subscribe so I know what kinds of videos I should be making more of. Thank you, Rebel Canners.